everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. It's beautiful here in Georgia today, and I'm making a frozen fruit salad. It's also hot, so this will be a really good dessert for us. And so the ingredients in my recipe, it's going to be mayonnaise, it's going to be cream cheese, cherries, whipping cream, mini marshmallows, and fruit cocktail. So let me get started on my easy recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my whipping cream in and beat it up. And I've already had this bowl in the refrigerator getting cold. Okay, my whipping cream is formed peaks, so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator until I mix up my cream cheese and mayonnaise. Okay, I'm putting my cream cheese. And this is 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can use whichever mayonnaise you prefer. I usually use what I have on hand, but my favorite in potato salad is blue plate mayonnaise. Okay. Okay, I have my cream cheese and mayonnaise mixed now. So I'm going to add in my fruit cocktail. It's been over here draining. Okay. Then I'm going to add in my cherries. Let's stir all this up a little bit. And then I'm going to add in my marshmallows. I think this is going to be a real good fruit salad for this hot weather we're having. Okay, now I'm going to get my whipping cream out and fold it in. These colors in this salad look really good. Okay, I got this good mixed up now. So I'm going to put it in my pan. smooth all this out. And I'm going to put this in the freezer and let it freeze. And about 15 minutes before you want to serve it, you get it out and let it come to room temperature before you cut it. Sure does have pretty color in it. Okay, and this right here is my easy fruit salad. So this will be ready to eat when it's frozen, and then just get it out 15 minutes before you eat it. Okay. Hi everyone, I just got my frozen fruit salad out of the freezer. It had to stay in the freezer overnight, and me and Calvin is really ready for a piece of it too, because I had him out shopping, and so we are really tired and ready for a good cool dessert. And also it is raining here in Georgia today and overcast. It is rather cool here today, and I hope y'all are having good weather wherever y'all are today too. So let me cut my fruit salad and do the taste test, and I'll let you know if it's worth making for the 4th or not. Okay. I think I'll use this knife. And it said when you get this out of the freezer to let it stay for about 15 minutes before you cut it. Okay. Okay, it came out really good. Oops. And so I'll just take this little piece right here and do a taste test. This is a real good little dessert, and I love that fruit cocktail in it. It's got all kind of pretty colors in it. You can see the cherries and the peaches and all the stuff that fruit cocktail has in it. The only thing about this dessert, I think I needed to let it sit for just maybe 5 more minutes, but it is really good. We'll do another test. Yeah. Cameraman, would you like to taste of it and see how you like it?
I sure would. You want to just go ahead and cut me a piece?
You can have a piece of that and I'll get you another for you.
Okay.
You can eat off the other end.
Yeah, it's starting to thaw out now. It'll be just about right in about 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
I'm crunching.
What is your honest opinion on it?
Let me finish chewing that up. Real good and cold. Not as sweet as I expected it to be.
Yeah.
But now we did use fruit cocktail that was the light fruit cocktail.
Yeah, our Walmart didn't have it.
Yeah. But it's got a good taste to it, but it's not very sweet, so that's probably a pretty good dessert to eat that'll be low in calories too.
Yeah. And do you think it would be a good 4th of July for people that are staying around the house, you know?
It will be a good 4th of July dessert. That's what we're going to be using it for. But this video, when it comes out, it's going to be after 4th of July.
Yeah, that's right. I didn't have on my thinking cap.
That's okay. But yeah, that's a real good frozen treat. And if you give it about maybe 15 more minutes to let it thaw just a little more, it'd be easier to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Probably real good and creamy then. Be real good. Yeah, I like it though. I would say give it a try and make it.
Yeah. I like it too, but it does need to thaw out just a little bit more. Okay. So if y'all want to make this dessert, it's real easy. And almost everyone has fruit cocktail in their pantry. And the other ingredients was cream cheese and mayonnaise. And I can't say that, I'll just say cherries. And also marshmallows. So just about everybody has all these ingredients in their pantry, and they could probably make it without even going to the store. But I really like it, and the only thing I think it would be better if it was, like I said, it had set just a little bit more.
I think it would be real good. I think the children will like this dessert also.
Yeah, I think so too. Anybody would, I think.
Yeah, especially children though.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the second part of our video and the end. So I hope everyone has a great 4th, even though this will be after the 4th. And I hope everyone just has a great day on that day. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my